All right guys, one of the first things we're going to take a look at from Leviton is the plug-in outlet with Wi-Fi technology. They're advertising this to connect your lamps, Christmas decor, or even small appliances. Now the small appliance is exactly what I'm interested in. As you can see right out of the box, the installation is simple. All that's in there is the plug itself. Find the actual outlet where the appliance is going to be hooked up, which for me in my situation is my TV. Plug it in and connect your TV through that plug. Download the My Leviton app via your Android or iOS system. Once you've successfully downloaded it, register your account and begin searching for the device that we installed this specific plugin. So at this point, there's really no advantage of using our phone as our TV remote just to simply turn it on and turn it off, but that's not the reason why I was interested. The reason I was interested is because now I could pair it to my Amazon Alexa or Google or your Nest and simply turn it on and turn it off as you will. Hey Alexa, turn the TV off. Just like that. For applications, I'm a dad of 2 young boys, and so for me, I could set screen time for them to watch. So I could say, hey, turn it off in 1 hour. Or better yet, if I'm prepping breakfast in the morning and I need to turn on the TV, I can simply just use my voice and it'll turn on as well. Retailing at $35 or so at your local Home Depot, you can definitely pick one up. I like this one, so it's a big win for me. Next product on the list is the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer with HomeKit. The advantages of this system, apart from all the other systems, is that if you do not currently own an Amazon Alexa, a Google Home, or a Nest, you can still audibly control certain features of your house via this smart technology. When it comes to installation, it's just like any other switch out there on the market. You'll have a single or a 3-way connection option using the same switch. Once you install the appropriate wires based off your current connection, you will then download the Decora Smart Home app. Now keep in mind, this is not the My Leviton app. Once you've downloaded it and registered the product, you can then go into your iOS settings under the Home Smart app and register it as well. So you have 2 registered sections. Once that's done, you're able to come into your bedroom and still use the audible feature. So you can say, hey Siri, turn the lights on.
Okay.
Now the price of this product at your local Home Depot is about $56 for a single switch. Again, it works for a single pole or a 3-way connection. As far as applications, it works flawlessly. You could use your phone and press the button out of bed, or simply use your voice. You can also set appropriate routines and schedules. So if you want the lights to turn on at a particular time in the morning, they can, likewise to turn off as well. The only downfall about this product that I'm not so fond of is the fact that you have to use a different Leviton app. If you already have a Leviton system, it'd be kind of nice to have everything in one application, but they've created 2. Well, at the same time, I guess that's not enough to discourage you from purchasing a product that actually works really, really well. Since we're in the bedroom, this is the perfect opportunity to talk about product number 3 from Leviton that's worth picking up right now are these USB outlet ports. Now, there's a lot of competitors out there. What makes these guys unique is that they still get the 2 regular connectors for the outlets, all while keeping the 2 USB ports without compromising any space. Now, Leviton's claiming that these are the fastest on the market right now. They range between 3 and 6 amps, and they have a smart technology inside of it, a smart chip that they're calling it, that allows for it to detect the type of device that's being connected and the rate at which it needs to be charged and at what capacity, so keeping the devices safe. I think it's pretty cool. They're really slick, easy to install. The faceplates are even better. The great thing is no more connectors. You can just put your phone there, let it charge, and the best part is these little things, you can just toss them now. And next on the list we have from Leviton is the Leviton Decora Smart Dimmer with Wi-Fi technology. One of the advantages behind this kind of technology is you're able to utilize your smart home system like the Alexa, the Nest, or the Google and turn your current switches into voice-activated light switches. So right out of the box, just like any other switch, when you open it, it'll have all the connectors necessary for either a single or a 3-way connector. Once you establish all those connections, you can go ahead and log into your Leviton app, add the new hardware system to the application, and then register with your smart home system like the Alexa, Google, or the Nest. Once you have everything set up and ready to go, you simply say, Alexa, turn the lights off in the dining room.
Okay.
As far as installation, I will give you guys a fair warning that some of the switches are not clear across the board, as simple to install as you would imagine that's currently in your house. Depending how your house was wired, some of these switches you would have to study some of these diagrams, perhaps even look online for extra resources to make sure you know which wires go where. So just be prepared to spend a little time doing some homework. Apart from that, I have not had any issues with this technology yet. Smart home is a very brand new thing that we're experiencing in the last couple of years. So I'm really excited to see some of its limitations and some of the bugs and troubleshooting issues that will come down the road. That's it for me this week. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet already. If you're brand new to the channel, here's a couple of new videos out right here that you might be able to enjoy. Tune in out this week. We'll see you guys next week. See ya.